Welcome to Animo Retail. In this video, we will show you how to create an item meanwhile making a purchase transactions. That means in between the transaction of a purchase order or good receipt, we will create an item and proceed with that item purchase. Okay, so let's start it. Uh, let's go to the purchase order interface first. Purchase order. Okay, now let's go to the new purchase order and select a supplier. Once it is selected, now as you know that we can scan a barcode here, scan an item code or barcode here, or else we can type and search an item, right, like this, or else we can go here and create an item. So to create an item, what we need to do is either we can choose this quick item creation, or we can go for this item pop-up. So these two are both are having different functionality. So let me show you quick item creation first, and then I will show you the item pop-up interface as well. So let's go for quick item creation. Okay, name of an item, let's type it something like test. Okay, now this is okay. Test item. Item category, it can be anything, it can be okay. And let's have cost price. And save it. Now you can see this item is also scanned. Okay, the other option is item pop-up interface. Let's go to there. Okay, so here what we need to do is we need to select a category first. uh, Suppose it's a sugar, and I am having it 49, 52, 65 and 80, right? Now you can see in this interface we do have a few attributes like brand, item name, color and size. By the way, it is all configurable. We can configure more attributes in this interface depending on the requirement of the business. It is changeable. Okay, I mean, more attributes can be added in this interface. It is only we need to configure it. Okay, on right side of the window you can see the items which were already in the grid. I mean, we have already scanned those items, so those are showing it in this uh, right side of interface. We can create a new item. Let's create it, and as soon you will create this item, it will appear here, right? So this is the way we can create more items as well. And once you will click on the close button, it will all populate into this interface. Now you can change the quantity according to your requirement, or even earlier also you could have changed that, and now you save it. So this is a way we can create an item meanwhile making a purchase transaction, either purchase order or good receipt or any of it. Okay, Thank you very much for watching this video.